Hello, welcome to John's Kitchen. Today I'm going to do a ackee and black eyed peas. Perfect for the vegan. What I'm going to use is, I'll be using that much olive oil, coconut oil. I'm going to let that melt down. I'm going to saute the onions. I'll be leaving that to do its thing. Excuse me. Okay, so I'll let this saute down. It's sizzling away. Now I'm going to add. This is a whole Scotch bonnet. I've cut it very, very fine, so then it won't actually burn your head up, but you'll get the nice flavour. That's one whole Scotch bonnet. Yet again, don't forget to wash your hands. Now I'm going to grater. Turn the fire down. Oh yes, get a little cut. And a grater, 3 garlic. Piece of garlic. I don't always grater, but this time this is what I'm doing. There we go. Chop. Get those in nice and fine. Just another way of doing it, that's all. It's not always about the knife. So I've got nice flavours coming through right now. I can smell it. Nice, great. Fold that in. Maybe I'll add just a little bit more of this coconut oil. Excuse me. Getting nervous in my own kitchen. Okay, let that melt down. Now with the turmeric, the same again. Using a nice bit of turmeric. Turmeric is it's a great. I think it's in the ginger family. And it will have antioxidant properties, which is great if you're feeling a certain way, and very good to actually detox your body. So all in all, it's a very healthy meal. Okay, leave that there. I don't like to waste, so I'll try and get everything out. Now I'm going to add 3 pimento berries for the seasoning and a piece of thyme. I'm going to let this blend together. This is another simple dish to do. You don't have to be staying over the fire the whole time. Okay, now I'm going to use scallion, which is actually, this is 3 pieces of stems, in fact 2 pieces of scallion, fresh from a garden. We'll give it another angle to the onion family, different taste. Yeah, let me tell you about this knife. It's older than me. Alright, I took it from my mother when I moved home. It came with me. I'm 51 years of age. This knife is, I don't know how old, but it's older than me. Alright, it does the job. My little blunt knife. Yeah, great. Okay, now I'm going to fold in the black eyed peas. I've pre-cooked these peas. I soaked them overnight before, and you can just cook them to order, which I would say between 45 minutes to an hour to actually soften up. I'm going to fold this in, just like that. It's beginning to look quite colourful. So get a nice mixture of the Scotch bonnet being transferred throughout the whole meal. Now I'm going to add, because I'm in the UK, I can't get it fresh, I'm going to use a tin of Ackee. Right. Now I'm going to use 2 onions, just so the juices from this will actually steam down and help cook the rest of the meal. This meal will probably take another 20 minutes to actually cook down. 15 to 20 minutes approximately. I'm going to reach just for a piece, a little bit of my salt, just to add. I don't like to add too much salt, but just a little bit. Okay, just a pinch of salt. Now, what I'm going to do is put the lid on and let it cook. Okay, that's great. That's cooked now. I'm just going to serve out just a little bit, just myself. So just to taste it. Okay, Ryan.
Here we go.
Great. Okay, now here we have 1 pot of Ital food. My first bit of respect for the vegan family. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe, share and like. Here we have Ackee and black eyed peas. Thank you.